bell rings, and you have to admit she's like a bull seeing red.
All business, no frills. Once she sets her sights on an opponent, she's on them until she gets the W.
Definitely not the type of competitor you want to take lightly.
But she'll be facing a challenge in the form of a superstar who has a vendetta to settle. You know this one's going to get intense judging by all the vitriol that's led up to tonight. Picture perfect example for when you just want to put someone down with authority. Holy cow! What outrageous athleticism. Papa Hurricane
Countered it just in time.
avoiding contact.
Followed by a side suplex.
Missed timing with that springboard.
Oh.
What a knee strike.
Oh! She flips it back on her.
She avoids the attack completely.
Oh, look at this wicked striking ability.
Underhook suplex. She's starting to look concerned.
Schoolboy.
Uh-oh.
Super kick!
DDT.
Spiked.
Taking off from the ropes. And will this be it? Getting the shoulder up before two.
She just shocked everyone in the ring.
Ooh! Incredible standing corkscrew moonsault. Wow.
Agility like that, easier said than done, gentlemen.
And proving a bit slippery for them there.
She got launched. And now she's climbing to the top turn.
The top rope.
The counter.
And one more reversal. Talk about evenly matched here. These two battling to a dead heat with these reversals. Oh! Big form.
Into the barricade. Oh, it didn't go as planned there.
She's able to get out of the way. And a spinning back kick, too.
Things not going how she'd like.
At this stage of the match, they are clearly starting to feel the effects of this back and forth. Slips out of the way there. What reflexes? Man, this is about as close as you can cut it. They're playing with fire here.
Down with the Samoan drop.
For the win. 2 count. Got the shoulder up at the last possible moment.
That sucked all the air out of this place. It looked like a done deal.
Turning the tables there. Knee to the gut.
Oh, what a knee.
Great awareness as she proves to be too quick.
Delivers the sling blade.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
What a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Beautiful side suplex.
The power of a deadlift into a military press.
Wow.
Working around the ring. And a slap. She's taking a beating here.
This is where endurance becomes so important in the late stages of the match.
She has scattered.
Oh, right across the solar plexus.
Counters. Punch connects. Oh my God. Fails to connect on the springboard. Forearm smash.
Staved up that attack. Cutting off the offense with a nasty chop block.
Oh, man.
I don't think any of these superstars are going to show any quit at this point.
Never say die attitude on full display.
Super kick.
There's more. Corkscrew splash to finish it off. And that might be just enough to win.
that one more time.
We've got to acknowledge these fans, a packed arena, and we're hearing every single voice.
It is loud and it is mad in here.
Driven through the ground. Shoulders down. This could be the one that does it for her. It only gets a 1 count.
I'm happy she did. I don't want this match to end. I think we're going to see it, gentlemen. Powerbomb. Into the rope blower. If that's not it, I don't know what is.
2. Shoulders up. Shoulders up.
Escaping that pin must have taken almost everything she's got.
Well worth it. Look how frustrated her opponent is.
Is there still an outlet to try that maneuver again? Or is her confidence shaken? And wrong side of things for her to be out there.
She must be wondering, how am I going to keep myself in this?
And a combination offense was on display there.
Sling blade. Scary pattern starting to form as that upper area takes more damage.
Oh, knee to the jaw.
Top rope, here we go.
Incoming.
Just crashing down with high impact. Oof. Oh, she got out of there. Oof, that knee knocking the wind out of her.
A setup mat slam.
That's another focused attack to her torso area.
And listen to this place. It's deafening in here, Michael.
Takes their opponent down, now just teeing off a series of hammer fists raining down.
And guys, she's dangerously close to a count-out loss. Referee's count stop. She stays in this.
Just barely, Cole.
What a gut-wrench powerbomb. Letting her opponent know she is ready for anything.
Get back here. Leg lariat. Catches the leg.
And closer. Super kick finds some more. Screw splash.
For some reason, she lets it go.
She might have something else planned here.
Reversal. Can she capitalize?
Caught with that sharp elbow.
Able to counter.
Seeing an answer for Ed.
Snapmare right into the surfboard stretch.
And she lets her out of the submission.
What is this superstar going to do now?
Looks like she has other plans here.
I think she was just looking to soften her up a little there.
Shoulders down.